Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to separate bullet points in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make bullet points separated. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes option, then choose the rounded rectangle, then draw the rounded rectangle. Then go to the Shape Format menu and click Shape Fill option, then choose the color. Now I select black color. Then copy the rectangle and paste inside in multiple times. Then go to the Insert Home menu and click Draw Text Box, then draw a text box. Now write anything. Then increase the font size. Then copy the text box, click right button on our mouse and paste inside. Then change the text. Then click the fast text box and press shift on our keyboard, then select the shapes. Now we can see we select the multiple object, then go to the shape format menu and click the group option. Now we group this, then again apply the same process in another. Now we can see we grouped another object. Now we click the first bullet points, then click the second bullet point and third. Now we can see we make this bullet point separated very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.